Follow these steps to install your MEI 4-in-1 to your glass front vending machine. You'll need your MEI 4-in-1 in addition to your Greenlight G10 kit, a small Phillips screwdriver, and an 11/32" nut driver. Make sure your machine is powered off. First, you must remove the current bill acceptor from your machine. To take out the bill acceptor, remove 11/32" nuts, 2 up here and 2 down here. Keep these nuts to use for installing your MEI 4-in-1. To make the installation easier, remove the bill box from your MEI 4-in-1 by pressing the release button located on the top. Set your bill box aside and push your MEI 4-in-1 into place. Once in place, tighten the 4 nuts with an 11/32" nut driver to secure it to the machine. Now you can put your bill box back onto your MEI 4-in-1. Next, we'll install the Greenlight G10 kit you bought for your specific machine. Find the best place inside your machine to put your G10 telemetry box. Using the Velcro that came with your kit, install your G10 telemetry box to your machine. We recommend putting it next to the control board at the top of your machine. Wherever you install your telemetry box, make sure you have easy access to the buttons located on the front of the device. Once you've installed your telemetry box, you're ready to connect your device to your machine. Start by connecting your DEX connection. Each machine is different, so check out our videos on DEX connections to learn more if you need help. Make sure your connection is secure. These connections supply both power and data to your device. Next, you'll connect the MDB connections. Located on the far left of your box, connect the male end of the MDB cord to the right side of your machine's control board. Next, connect the male end of the MDB connection from the bill acceptor to the female end of the MDB connection. Lastly, connect the female end of your MDB connection from the bill acceptor to your coin mechanism. In your G10 kit, you'll need these parts to connect your MEI 4-in-1 to your G10 telemetry box. These connections form an adapter harness to bridge your MEI 4-in-1 device and Greenlight G10 telemetry box. Start by connecting the 2 serial ports. Tighten the connections with a small screwdriver. Once connected, take the middle connection from your G10 telemetry box, the one with the female end, and connect it to the adapter harness you just created, which has a male end. Make sure it clicks into place. Now, take the other end of the adapter harness, the female end, and connect it to the part coming from the MEI 4-in-1 device, which has a male end. Using the zip ties that came with the kit, tie up your connections and make sure they are not caught in the door. Depending on your machine, locate the hole at the top of your machine to install the antenna. Put the cord of the antenna through the top hole, leaving just the antenna on top. Plug the antennas into your G10 telemetry box. Be sure to check out our videos on adjusting the antenna to gain better signal strength. After installation, turn your machine back on. The device will calibrate, and if all is adequately connected, your device is ready to use. For more assistance, email us or visit vennetusa.com.